CRIM Law 2 Reviewer, Article 156. Article 156. Delivering prisoners from jail. The penalty of arresto mayor in its maximum period to prisión correccional in its minimum period shall be imposed upon any person who shall remove from any jail or penal establishment any person confined therein or shall help the escape of such person by means of violence, intimidation, or bribery. If other means used, the penalty of arresto mayor shall be imposed. If the escape of the prisoner shall take place outside of said establishments by taking the guards by surprise, the same penalty shall be imposed in their minimum period. Elements: that there is a person confined in a jail or penal establishment. Number 2, that the offender removed therefrom such person or helps the escape of such person. Fill in the blanks to complete the statement. So these are the answers. Elements: that there is a person confined in a jail or penal establishment. Number 2, that the offender removes therefrom such person or helps the escape of such person. Jurisprudence. Under Article 156, People versus Del Barrio et al., CA 60 OG 3908. The crime is qualified when the removal or delivery of the prisoner is done by means of bribery, but what constitutes the qualifying circumstance in Article 156 is the offender's act of employing bribery as a means of removing or delivering the prisoner from jail, and not the offender's act of receiving or agreeing to receive a bribe. The employment of deceit is not an essential or integral element of the crime of delivery of prisoners from jail. People versus Del Barrio et al., Supra. Fill in the blanks to complete the statement. These are the answers. Additional notes for Article 156. Reference: Criminal Law Book 2 by Reyes. Bullet 1. If the offender is a public officer who had the prisoner in his custody or charge, he is liable for infidelity in the custody of a prisoner. Article 220. Hospital or asylum are considered extension of jail or prison. Violence, intimidation, or bribery are not an element of the offense. The penalty is higher if these are used as means of committing the offense in Article 156. Prisoner may be under detention only. Liability of the prisoner who escapes. A prisoner is criminally liable for leaving the penal institution only when there is evasion of the service of his sentence, which can be committed only by a convict of final judgment.